Hey guys, Denis Kozhar here. In this video we will continue model this house. So to create this top part we can just copy this bottom with the shift key, copy, and then mirror by XY plane, move it up like this. So here it meets with the top part of the roof, like that. And then we can create this element. I will start from maybe here. The shift key, I can move it like this. Here, create this section. Something here, create some seam or section here, and continue like this. Then we can move up and maybe close it here like that. Delete this vertex and align this like that. Fine. Then we can use another line to make this all happen. I will use this one. Just press Ctrl V to copy it, hide sweep for a while, then I will select with the 3 number key all line and outline it like this. Then on the sweep I will pick new profile, but here I need to delete this line, and here on the sweep we have this OK, disable mirror on XY plane, and from here we need to move it down and align with this like that. Here it seems alright, and we can use this top or top part of the ceiling as a separate element. To do so, we can change here the profile. From the left I will just move this vertex here, and then I will just do it like what? I can move it as well, or just delete. And delete this one. move it like this. Okay, so now we have different profile, and from here we can see what we get. Fine, then I can copy it from here, or I can just doesn't copy here, add edit poly modifier, select this line with the double click, then create shape linear. Okay, and from here I can delete edit poly, but now I have this line. I can affect pivot only, center to object like that, and move it slightly down on the same level as this one. And from here I can use extrude, cap start, cap end, and not so much for the high, maybe something like that, and it seems that it will be looks all right. Now we have this ceiling part, and so easily we can create the floor. So let's do this. From here we can copy this line, delete the sweep. We can isolate them like that, select only the line, and make outline like that with slight section, delete unneeded one, and from here we can just extrude it for 1 centimeter maybe, or let's make 5 like this. Maybe 4. Okay, for now we have floor, roof, windows. Let's create the doors. We will make them from this window, and here you can see that we have some sections on the windows, so we need to split them. To do so, I will use these lines, and maybe I will also select the impost, this and this like that. Okay, from here I will add some middle lines here. I will use modeling here. Let's save it. Okay, here I will add edit poly modifier, the Swift loop. I will add some more geometry here in the middle, here, like that. Another one, and here. Okay, so it just need to be done. Fine, then we can select these lines with the double click all the way around. For this side, this, and this one, here and here, like that. So we can use it. Next we need to create chamfer. I will use something like 0.3. Okay. Then we need to select this ring with the shift key, modify selection, select similar. With the Alt X we can check it that everything selected alright. Seems okay. Next we can delete it. Press 3 on the keyboard, cap. Nice. We have this split now. And next let's choose the doors. So I will select the window and the plan, then here press 5 and select only those elements that belongs to doors, like this, and from here let's detach it as an object. Fine. Then here we can press 2 on the keyboard, then select this like that, and with the connect we can add one segment and move it down like this, maybe, so it matches with these lines. Fine. Then we can create box as a reference, make it 210 centimeters length, isolate these doors and this box, and for them let's press 2 on the keyboard, create connect, and raise it here. Okay, fine. Then we doesn't need this box anymore, or we can just check it, so it will be here. And I think I need to move these lines a little bit more up, like that. Okay, so now we can delete this box. Here we can select these lines, double click on this, and the last one. Make another chamfer, 0.3. Okay, and from here let's select all, then unselect top, middle and bottom, like that. Then we can delete this, press 3 on the keyboard, select all, then cap. Okay, it seems alright for me. And from here I need to detach these elements for the doors, so I'll press 5, select them, then detach. Okay, and for them I will select from the top. Let's press Alt Q, like that. Okay, and here we need to connect with the two segments, like maybe 80 press OK, then chamfer 03, OK, and then let's select all, unselect this. So we need to delete these unneeded parts to create section. Okay, here, 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 and here. Then press delete, 3, Ctrl A, cap, fine. Now we have this doors element, and then we need to add some nice elements, like you can see on the bottom, that will look like this. To create them, I will use just a simple cylinder, create, like this, another one. Okay, I will change the size to 16, change the radius to 0.3, and high for 1, maybe move it up here. Okay, so high we need to change to something like 10 centimeters, and it's pretty fine. Maybe a little bit more radius with 0.5, for example, like that, so we can see it. Then as an instance, copy, move it up. Okay, here we can change the size to maybe 32, or let's keep it 16. Edit poly modifier, then in the middle we can see that we have too much height segments. I will change them to 2, then add edit poly modifier, select this line, then chamfer with small amount, like that. Here I will select this ring with the shift key, then extrude by local normal minus, maybe like that. Okay, so then I can select this polygon and this polygon, then with the control change to edge, so it keep the selection, then double click with control here and here, then use chamfer like this. I think it's all right. Now we have these two elements, we can copy it to another door as an instance. Let's see it here. Like that. Then copy for another side as an instance. Place it here. And last one as an instance. Okay. So I can move it like that. Fine. Now we have these doors, windows, and something like this. So for now, let's save it. And in the next video, we will continue.